All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Big Daddy's house. It is with a super heavy heart that I am even making this video. I don't know how this is going to turn out because I'm not trying to do any fancy transitions or sound effects or anything. This is just going to be just a straight up video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you should check out some of my other videos. Put a lot of time and effort into them. Anyways, so as you read on the thumbnail, HEMI TICK. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I have. Well, I don't even know. It actually sounds worse than a HEMI TICK. I'm having it towed tomorrow to a garage. Have them diagnose it for me. It's fired up, baby. Oh yeah, and if you're a visual learner like me, smash that subscribe button. It's dark, and I just got off work, so I'm just going with it. Just wanted to keep you guys updated, let you know what's going on. So I guess after my diagnosis, I'll figure out if I'm just gonna try to fix it, or I don't know. I really want to fix it. I've literally spent a decade of my life wanting to get into this truck. I've literally life happens, and it might sound stupid, but my dream was to own this truck. And first world problems. So dumb. Anyways, without further ado, let me let you hear what it sounds like. All right, here we go. 2, 3. Set the camera down and I'll get closer with the microphone. That's all I'm willing to show because the motor's not dead yet, as you can see, but it's more than ticking, baby. Way more. And it is fitting that it's raining today. Anyways, I'm not trying to be super negative because that's not my outlook on life. Anyways. But damn. So if you've heard this noise before on your truck, shoot a comment, man. Let me, I don't know, give me some love. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll keep you guys updated. And here comes the rain.